Okay, so now I want to go over some basic controls when you're running a program or to start running one. So whenever you are going to start a program, you want to rewind it. So if you make any changes to the code in the file section, you are definitely going to want to rewind that. And as well, when you're ready to run, you're going to want to think about what option you might want to start it with. So here you have a cycle start option. That's just going to start the program right away and just run through the program. Here we have the step option. So this is basically will execute a single block in the G-code program. And so we want to, if you want to try using that, basically you can start running step right away. So you can actually step into the program like this. You can see that it's moving down each line of code here. So it's going to turn on the spindle at this point. So now it's going to move and execute one line of code at a time. So at this point I can press play if I want, and it's going to start running the code. And at any time you can also use a single block to turn that back on, and once it finishes the line that it was executing, it will stop. And so now I can go back into single step mode. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press play here. So now we're just going to run. Here's our feed hold button. So basically you can pause, start again, pause, start again. So normally when I'm going to stop a program, I might, if I'm running in and I notice that, hey, this isn't going to work out, I maybe made a mistake in my toolpath, so I'm just, normally press feed hold, and then I press, stop, and then I reset it so that everything goes back to the condition that I can, either rewind or load a new program. You can close these messages here. This is just telling the controller is telling you that it's not getting segments anymore. So that's an overview of all of the toolpath here. We have also this background simulator from current point. So what that will actually do is, if you've been running for a long time and you have a lot of toolpath that's shown up because you've completed it, if you want to kind of clear that out, you can press this. You can you actually should pause first, and then you can press this button, and it will actually just clear out what's already been completed in the program. So if you have like a large roughing cycle like on this program, you can actually clear that part of the toolpath away so you can see more clearly what you're working on at that point.